Namaste. Today I am going to talk about the future prophecies of mine. Many people ask what will happen to the future of the world. Will the COVID destroy everything? Or will there be any world wars? Or will the world survive the downturn due to the environmental pollution? There is a lot of talk which goes about it. Remember, the world is going to become one. We are going to heading into an era of world of one government, one world. Many people talk about Nostradamus prophecy. Actually, Nostradamus prophecy is European centric. He never ever wrote about anything in the world. It is a wild concoction of many people to talk about Nostradamus prophecy connected to the world. When he was alive, there was not much of interaction of the European countries with the other countries. Therefore, to talk about Nostradamus prophecy connected with Modi and all is absolute rubbish. All that he talked about was the European history and the European rise and king's fall, which he had talked extensively across as a person. So, the first of all, this is a very, very new thing. The world is going to come into one world, one government. Now, many people will ask me, how is that possible? Now, you take this. Earlier, India was 540 kingdoms. The small kingdoms got united. Now, there were villages, cities, and metropolitan cities. The villages fought with each other and they formed cities. The cities fought with each other and they slowly became what you call it as the epicenter of power. Now, that is why in Tamil Nadu it is called Seran, Pandian, Soran. Now it's all combined together and formed as an India. Therefore, now slowly the unity of India which happened, just like that, there will be the Indian subcontinent will get united with the other countries. Now when the other countries small unity is happening, that you can see in ASEAN. ASEAN is they are trying to connect each other with that of trade, and afterwards the entire Asian continent will unite. Already the European continent has got united. That is called as the European Union. Slowly it will happen with the America. It will be the American Union which will happen. So it will be all the what you call it as the continents will unite with each other and they will form one big entities, because it is very useful for trade and it is very useful for travel. It will be like you can go to Pakistan, Afghanistan very easily without much of passport and all that, so that you can travel all over Asia easily. Now the next level of cooperation will come with war. The Europe has already faced 2 wars. So America uniting the continents will face another 2 wars. Africa facing continents will unite wars, and basically the Asia connecting will face 2 wars. So there will be many small military, small wars will be there, but there will be major 2 to 3 wars will be there. So there are totally 5 continents. There will be around 15 wars which will be there. The wars will be of 2 levels. That is one country like Iraq, which is being mulled over by many countries like the NATO alliance, or 2 countries fight with each other like that of Saudi Arabia and Yemen. Saudi Arabia wants to have a total domination about the Middle East, so that they will try to fight more and more unity. Both business, computer and many wars at many facets will come. Ultimately, you will have a grand council where people will elect a lot of people using various mechanisms. It will be like European Union, the World Union will be there. There will be a president and there will be a lot of people, subcommittees will be there to take care of it. People will find it very easily to unite, because the internet is breaking the barrier of language, distance and also travel. And now slowly we will come to the point of Vasudhaiva Kudumbam, where we look at the world as one world, one government. This is my first prophecy. The world will become one world and one government, and this is not being told by Nostradamus, and many people will like to attribute to Nostradamus because that is the only well-known name. So we are going to head into one world, one government. The villages will unite with cities. The cities will unite with metropolitan cities. Metropolitan cities will form nation. Nation will unite each other into the continent, and the continents will unite each other. Finally, there will be a continental war which will be there. Afterwards, the world will unite itself. Therefore, World War can be called as the European-centric war, whereas we are yet to see the unity of war happening in many other areas. So, this is my first prophecy about the world. So, you can see the number of prophecies which are appearing across to you as a person. Thank you.